Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. In my last video I shown you how to make voltage booster by a ferrite coil. Now I'm going to show how to make voltage booster by bobbin based inductor. This is bobbin based inductor. I have just undressed the string tube and there is a coil inside inductor. So let's unwind it. This is 0.3 mm copper wire. You can take 0.4 mm also. Now I will take same pitch length wire as my earlier video. I shown you how to make winding like this. This is the initial point from where I will start winding. First winding should be clockwise around 40 round. There is 40 round, and the terminal I will solder to the another leg of inductor. Now I'll take another pitch of wire. This is the dot point, means from where I started winding. I'll take the another pitch of wire. One pitch terminal should connect with the dot point from where I started winding. This should be common, and here we will connect the battery positive. Now its winding will be opposite compared to the first winding, I mean anti-clockwise. In my last video I shown you that it would be anti-clockwise, otherwise your voltage booster will not work. So it will be 40 round. Now it will left one terminal, and this terminal will connect to the transistor collector point. Now I have made an arrangement with transistor D882. In my last video I used S8050, and I also connected a Schottky diode and a capacitor 10 microfarad. Now inductor coil 1 point will connect to base, another point will connect to collector. Now battery positive will connect to the first I mean the dot point, and negative. Yes, it's working. Now I'll check the voltage. Load voltage is 10.8. 10.85. You can increase this voltage by making the winding more. Now check the battery voltage. Battery voltage is 3.9. So viewers, hopefully this video brings you something. If so, please like it, share it, and don't forget to comment.